Om Ji, Namaste, Pranam, and welcome to Yoga Sanjeevani. So nowadays, many of people are suffering from the COVID, and the best remedy for the COVID readout is the yoga. So yoga has a medicine and it's a life science. And once you enter in this field, definitely you will get the more benefit. Just we are now today explaining the five mudras. That's Siddha mudras. These are the specifically made for the COVID patients and who are post-COVID and pre-COVID. They can enjoy the more benefits. Just we have to see what are these five Siddha mudras. Just we have to see the first mudra is the Linga mudra. So the Linga mudra is itself explained. Linga is nothing but the creation. It's a universal principle and it was universal energy. Just how we have to do and read out the COVID from this Linga mudra. Just if you are filled with the chest with the fluid or a balgam, and if you are feeling the consistency in the chest, just you have to go for the Linga mudra. Just how we have to perform, just we have to just to focus over this one. Just we have to see the which nostril is dominating the breathe. If it is the right, then you have to use the right hand first. If it is the left, you have to use the left hand first. My now is the right is very easy and left is a little consistency in the breathing. Just we have to lift up the left hand in this fist, thumb lifted up. Now gently cover the thumb with the right hand, index finger and the thumb, and gently interlock the fingers and just fold this one. This is called the Linga Mudra. And just without leaving the gap in between these palms, just gently place in between the chest bones. That's the sternum bones. Just how to touch the both the hands. That's the elevated portion of the thumb portion near to the chest. So this will represent the Linga Mudra. It will generate the heat as well as it will be increases the oxygen level, and the temperature of the body is go on increasing, and this internal heat will be developed the more energy to fight against the virus. Just you have to be in this one and gently concentrate over this Linga Mudra and go on breathing. Just you have to perform this mudra at least for the 21 minutes, and it's giving very good results, and it's a testimony, and I have realized this one, and many of our family members are enjoyed these mudras. If you are feeling a consistency in the chest, and if your chest is filled with the fluid, pleural fluid, or any other things, or it is completely packed with the balgam, then this mudra will be very helps to melt that one and it will go on becoming a fluid, and it will be just go on clearing the chest. And if you are suffering from the fever, if you just be in this mudra for 40 minutes, the entire body will be go on sweating and the entire fever will be vanished out. So go on enjoying the this Linga mudra and just read out from the chest consistency and the balgam formation in the chest, and your breath will become very clear. Just again we have to see the second mudra. Just one more time we have to see with the other hand. Just make the fist with the thumb lifted and just cover with the other hand that thumb base with the thumb and index finger, and interlock the fingers and gently tighten the palms, and the thumb should be lifted very erected posture, and just you have to place in front of the chest. This is where the sternum bone is there. Just you have to concentrate over that. Gently close your eyes and just go on just normal breathing. Yes, and you need more effective for that one, then you have to go for the Kapalbhati. That's the only contraindication is that if you are suffering from the acidity or else it is a heart problem, just you have to just get the suggestions from your yoga teachers. And second mudra, if you are feeling very toughness in the throat, and if you are feeling irritation in the throat and there is a balgam formation in the throat, and you are not able to swallow, this engulf the foods are in water, then if you are suffering from the thyroid and all these things, and your entire the this throat portion is filled with the balgam, just it's a very immediate reaction will be you are getting by using this mudra. This is a pranayama mudra. Just we have enjoyed and we have got the testimonies from different, and this is also tested in the Joshi Foundation from Tamil Nadu also, and also the Patanjali Yogapith Research Center. Just we have to see how we have to perform. Just we have to stretch the palms and gently fold the index finger and middle finger and try to touch the near the base of the thumb, and gently remaining this ring finger and the little finger you have to try to join with the just edges of the thumbs, just where the nails will be there, just the edges of the nails, all three fingers has to be just touched together. Just we have to perform this one and be in this mudra Just I am going to perform along with the other hand. Just be in this mudra at least for the 21 minutes and just see the miracle. Just you have to perform the second mudra, this is the pranayama mudra, and it will be very helpful. Just you have to enjoy with this one and you have to overcome from your throat problems. So this is the second mudra. And third mudra is the prana mudra. Its name itself indicates this prana is elevating your eternal power. So many of you are suffering from the fatigues and this tiredness and restlessness and all these things, and very immediate you have to regenerate from this mudra. Just gently you have to go on touching with the just a ring finger and little finger, just beginning edges with the just a thumb, and you have to stretch the remaining two fingers. Just you have to go for this mudra, and very immediately within 21 minutes you will be get the relief and you will be rejuvenated from these mudras. Just you have to go on practice and just you have to enjoy the reality of the yoga secrets. So this is the third mudra. And if you are having any chest problems or this is a heart problems and you are feeling this there is a pain in the heart or there is a pain in the chest, and you have to go for the just Hridaya Mudra or else the Mrutyunjaya Mudra. Just we have to, as name itself suggests that Mrutyunjaya, you can win the death. So this in that way it's 95% you can avoid the heart attacks, and you will be get the more benefits and your heart muscles will be get strong enough, and you will be enjoying your life. Just you have to go for that one. Just gently you have to go for the Mrutyunjaya Mantra. Just you have to fold the index finger to the just base of the thumb, and just remaining two fingers, there's a middle finger and the ring finger, you have to join the tip of the fingers to the tip of the thumb, and remaining keep the little finger straight. Just you have to be in this posture just at least for the 21 minutes to 40 minutes, and just feel that one how you will getting the benefits. Or this is the fourth mudra. And lastly, one more mudra is there. In order to increase the immunity, just we have to go for the Prithvi mudra. As you know that Prithvi is the fundamental element of the this physical body, and this fundamental physical body is constructed with the sapta dhatus, and this sapta dhatu will be very important in order to develop the immunity response. And for that you have to go for the this Prithvi mudra. Just you have to gently touch the ring fingertip and the thumb, so that the nail should be just coordinated, and remaining fingers you have to keep the fingers straight, and you have to be in this posture. Just gently place your palms resting over your thighs, and just gently close your eyes and just go on just a normal breathing. Just you have to concentrate over breathe and feel the difference changes in the body. Just once again we are just rewinding up that one. Out of the five mudras, just we have to go on perform that five mudras, and you have to read out from your COVID troubles. And if you may be exposed to the COVID patients, and if you are already passing through the COVID troubles, just you have to go for these five mudra. And if you are suffering from the COVID, definitely you may be in ICU, or you may be in home isolation, or you may be in other things. Just you have to, you may be just mild symptoms, or you may be severe symptoms. Just you have to go for these, and just you have to feel the benefits. It's a no cost and no medicine, and just you are getting the benefits. Just you have to go on just practicing of these five mudras. Once again you have to focus over this one. The first mudra is the linga mudra, which will be benefits for the entire chest congestions and the bulgum formation in the chest, and this the breathing trouble. You have to go for the linga mudra. Just gently just cross this one, these fingers. Just you have to see this one, and you have to place in front of the chest, and this is the linga mudra. And second mudra is the pranayama mudra. Just you have to gently fold the first two fingers below the base of this one, and remaining two fingers you have to just place it one, and you have to go for this one. This will be help for the overcoming of the troubles of the throats, and it's a bulgum formation, and there is a thyroid trouble, and if you are there is a just a consistency in the throat, or you are not able to swallow, this will be overcoming by the pranayama mudra. Then third mudra is the prana mudra. If you are just troubling with the fatigues, or if you are feeling the very nervousness and your restlessness and your energy level will be go on just downing, you have to go for the prana mudra, and it will also very helpful for the brightening your eyes. It will be just, if you are go on practicing 3 weeks, you can remove your specs. Just you have to just gently go for the prana mudra. And if you have a heart trouble, and it's Mrutyunjaya mudra, and if you are just heaviness in the heart and your heart muscles are very weak and you are suffering from the heart troubles, just you have to go for the Mrutyunjaya mudra, or else the Apanavayu mudra, and you can call it one as a Sanjeevani mudra. Just gently close the index finger, and remaining just you have to go for this one. This is a
Mrutyunjaya Mudra. Just you have to go on practicing that one. If anybody is feeling this, there is a chest pain, just immediately you have to go for that one. And finally, in order to increase, you want to increase your immunity system, just you have to go for the Prithvi Mudra, and you have to take care of that one. Many of they are doing like this, many are doing like this. Yes, that tip of the this nails of the both the fingers should touch each other and they should be in the straight line, and because many times the fingers will be not coordinating that one, try to make them by the putting the pressures or applying they just some sticking materials, and you have to make them to straight, and you have to enjoy that one. Definitely here just linga mudra, if you are here suffering from the very fever, high fever, then you have to go for the 40 minutes, and yes, you have to get rid of from your fever and just congestion in the chest, and you have to just feel the just comfortness of that one. Just go on practicing all these five mudras, and just you have to get benefits, and you have to overcome all the COVID troubles. Again, see you with new things again in new series. Till that, bye bye, namaste, pranam.